In today's quick tip, learn about the order of conditionals, what it means when conditionals are conflicting, and which one will win out at the end of the day. So over on this panel, as we see it, we can see that there are two conditions: when something happens and when something else happens. So this is when this yes/no statement is true, and this is when a current user's type is client. In this case, we want this to be visible, and in this case, we don't. But what would happen if the user was client, but then this one evaluated to a yes as well? Which one of these wins? Well, the short answer of this very quick tip today is that whichever conditional you place last is going to have priority over the other ones. So this means that if this was a client user, but this one B role or brand photo value for a state here, a yes or no state, if this one is yes, when both of these are true, hide it or don't hide it, show it rather. In the case, the latter conditional is the one that will be given priority at the end of bubble running these conditionals. So if you ever find it in a conflicting case where you want one to be the most important one, place that one at the bottom and things will behave like you expect them to. Thanks for watching.